or go to the Commissioner of Police office, Toyeko has no immunity.
Yes.
Toyeko is not above the laws of Nigeria. Toyeko cannot kill Nigerians as ants. He killed Nigerians in Abonima in 2019, and Nigerians still can sweep under the carpet. Toyeko have seen it as a usual pattern to kill Nigerians because he wants to be governor. A man that came from Brazil and stole River State $50 million, which we are prosecuting him for. Toyeko is desperate, and his desperation will not allow him kill all of us. For killing a Nigerian yesterday, Toyeko must be arrested today by the Nigerian police. If Nigerian police are saying they are innocent and they are not culpable, they must arrest Toyeko.
Justice.
In furtherance of this, we present to you this document, which is from the People's Democratic Party, PDP River State. It reads, the River State Resident Electoral Commissioner, Independent National Electoral Commission, plot 236 Aba Road, Port Harcourt, River State. Sir, application for the certified true copies of the following documents. Form EC8 series A, B, C, D, and E. Form 40G series, 40G, 40G sub 1, and 40G sub 2. 3. List of collation and returning officers, presiding officers, that is POs, assistant presiding officer, that is APOs, and supervising presiding officers, SPOs, and others. All election materials used for the governorship election held on the 18th day of March 2023. We hereby apply for the certified true copies of the aforementioned documents and election materials used at the election conducted in River State on the 18th day of March 2023. We undertake, which is required, of course, you know by law, to pay the requisite fees. Thank you. This is signed by Barrister Kingsley Chukwu, KSC, PDP Legal Advisor, River State. Take note that this was received on the 24th of March, which is last month, 2023, by INEC here. So we also have the second document. So what we are saying is that we are not here on illegality. We are here to say, INEC, we have applied. Don't favor us, but don't also play us wayo.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.